Hello everyone, we are going to check out the chapter number 2, the Northern Mountains. Before we start the chapter, let's learn the new words. Terrace farming means farming done by cutting mountains slopes into steps or flat stairs. House on stilts means houses built on wooden pillars so that they are above the ground. Wildlife sanctuary means a protected forest, natural habitat for the animals. India is a unique country in which all major landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts, and deserts are found. The northern mountains stretch across the northern borders of India. These mountain ranges can be traced from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. These northern mountains are made up of two mountain ranges, the Himalayas and the Karakoram ranges. The Himalayas meaning abode of snow is the highest mountain range in the world. They form a big wall along the northern borders of India. It extends from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Its total length is about 2500 kilometers and its width is between 150 to 400 kilometers. Dear students, here you can see in this picture the Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year. The northern mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. It is 8,848 meters high. It is in Nepal. Many people and professional trekkers regularly climb the snow-covered peaks of the Himalayas. Sri Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay were the first to climb Mount Everest in 1953. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb the peak in 1984. Santosh Yadav was the first woman in the world to have climbed Mount Everest twice. The Himalayas have three ranges: Himadri, the Great Himalayas, Himachal, the Middle Himalayas, Shivalik, the Lesser Himalayas. Now filling the blanks, Himalaya means abode of snow. Second, Santosh Yadav was the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice. Okay. Himadri ranges. The Himadri ranges are the highest and therefore snow-clad throughout the years. Glaciers are found in this mountainous region. As a result, rivers like Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers. Some of the high peaks in these ranges are Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, and Annapurna. Dear students, in this picture you can see the glaciers. Dear students, glaciers means the whole mountain has turned into this kind of snow. This is known as glaciers. Okay. Himachal ranges. These are the middle Himalaya ranges. They are lower than the Himadri and lie towards its south. The slopes of these mountains are covered with pine, cheer, and deodar. Fruits like apples, plums, peaches, apricots, pears, and cherries are grown here. Terrace farming is done in these mountain slopes. In this method, large flat steps are cut into the slopes to form fields. We find many hill stations like Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Dalhousie, Simla, Kullu, Mussoorie, Nainital, and Darjeeling in this range. The rivers form waterfalls as they flow rapidly down the mountains. Now, Shivalik ranges are the lowest. They lies in the extreme south of the Himalayas. These ranges are known for their thick forests and wild animals such as tigers, leopards, bears, and crocodiles. The foothills of the Shivalik form the Terai region. Most of this region lies in Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. It is a marshy area that receives a lot of rainfall. The Terai region has many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand is a place of tourists' interest. In the northeast are the Purvanchal ranges. They are not very high and have thick forests with a huge variety of wild animals. The Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga, Lusai, and Mizo hills are part of this range. Towards the northwest of the Himalayas lies the Karakoram mountain ranges. Mount Godwin Austen K2 lies in the Karakoram range and is the second highest peak in the world. Now filling the blanks, glaciers are found in the Himadri ranges. Terai region is found in the Shivalik ranges. Life in the mountains. The northern mountain ranges includes the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, northern part of West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, northeastern states. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is the beautiful state. It has two capitals, Dongri and Pahari are the main languages spoken in this state. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is a beautiful state. It has two capitals, Srinagar, the summer capital, and Jammu, the winter capital. Kashmir, Urdu, Dongri, and Pahari are the main languages spoken in this state. During winters, because of extreme climatic conditions and snowfall, people stay indoors and earn by making handicrafts from wood and paper match. Some people weave silk and woolen clothes while others make world famous carpets and warm pashmina shawls. Kashmir is cool in summer, and during this season most of the people work in the fields. Dear students, here you can see the picture Kashmiri carpets. The Wular Lake and the Dal Lake add to the natural beauty of the state. Houseboats and shikars or wooden boats are a common sight. These are used for boat rides during the tourist season or function as floating shops for selling flowers and vegetables. Places of tourist interest are Srinagar, Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Amarnath Caves, and the Vaishnav Devi Temple. Dear students, in this picture you can see the shikara on a Dal Lake. Okay. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is also a popular tourist spot. People love to visit hill stations like Simla, Dalhousie, Kullu and Manali, especially during the summer. Most of the people of Himachal are farmers. They grow rice, maize, barley, fruits and vegetables. Animal rearing is also popular. People rear sheep and goats. Woolen carpets, blankets, rugs and shawls are worn here. People wear very colorful clothes. The embroidered caps of Himachal are very famous. Simla is the state capital and people speak Punjabi, Pahari and Kinnari. Dussehra is the main festival here. Dear students, in this picture you can see in the Simla. Okay, this is the picture of Simla. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is known for the Garhwal and Kumaon hills. Mussoorie, Nainital and Ranikhet are the popular hill stations. Dehradun is the state of capital. The most important occupation is farming. Haridwar, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri and Yamunotri are popular religious places that attract thousands of Indians and even foreigners to this state. Dear students, this is the picture of Nainital. Okay. The MCQs. First, Wular Lake is situated in, answer is A, Jammu and Kashmir. Second, Garhwal and Kumaon hills are situated in, answer is B, Uttarakhand. Sikkim. Sikkim with its capital at Gangtok is a small state. People of this state belong to three tribes: Lepcha, Bhutai and Nepali. Their clothes depend on the tribe to which they belong. However, men and women wear colorful costumes and women love to wear jewelry made of gold and beads. Orchids grow here in abundance of the high mountains and deep river valleys enhance the beauty of the state. Dear students, you can see the picture of people of Sikkim. Okay. West Bengal. The northern part of West Bengal is the famous for tea gardens. Darjeeling is the northernmost district and is situated in the foothills of the Himalayas. It is famous for its beauty, hill stations and Darjeeling tea. Northeastern states of India are beautiful in their own way. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in this region. Itanagar is the capital city. The population of this state is less and people live in houses on stilts to protect themselves from rain and snakes. Manipur is famous for the Manipuri dance. Its capital is Imphal. Primary occupation is farming and weaving. Different types of things from bamboo, can, and leather are made here. Dear students, in this picture you can see Manipuri dance. Meghalaya is well known for receiving the heaviest rainfall in India. Shillong is its capital and a famous hill station. Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia are the main tribes of this region. They are mainly farmers who grow rice, jute, potato, sugarcane, pineapples, and oranges. Dear students, this is the picture of Meghalaya. Okay. Mizoram is the small northeastern state with Aizawl as its capital. Its people are called Mizos. Most of the Mizos are literate. The famous bamboo dance is from this dance. The famous bamboo dance is from this state. Dear students, you can see in this picture bamboo dance. Nagaland also has a number of tribes. People of different tribes wear shawls with different patterns. The designs on the shawls help to identify the tribes to which they belong. The capital of the state is Kohima. Most of the people are farmers and they grow rice, maize, millets, and oranges. MCQs. First, Shillong is the capital of. Answer is B, Meghalaya. Second number, bamboo dance is a popular folk dance of. Answer is C, Mizoram. Here we have some points to remember. The Himalayas are and the Karakoram form the northern mountain ranges. The highest mountain range in the world is the Himalayas. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. It is 8,848 meters high. The Himalayas have three ranges: Himadri, the Great Himalayas, Himachal, the Middle Himalayas, Shivalik, the Lesser Himalayas. The foothills of the Shivalik form the Terai region. The northern mountain region includes Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, northern part of West Bengal, and the northeastern states. The main occupation of the people of this region is farming.